Students, let's do chapter 4. The name of chapter is Factorization, HCF and LCM. Exercise 4A. It's question number 2. Which of the following pairs of numbers are co-prime? The numbers are 6 and 8. First of all, we will find factors of 6, then factors of 8, then we will find the common factors of 6 and 8, and then we will find the HCF. And students, note, if HCF of two numbers is 1, then the numbers are called co-prime. So we will find the HCF of 6 and 8 and we will see whether their HCF is 1 or not. Factors of 6. First we will find the factors of 6 like this. 6 times 1 equals 6 and 2 times 3 equals 6. This is the first pair. 1 times 6, the product gives us 6, and the second pair for which the product gives us 6 is 2 times 3. Now the factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now we will find the factors of 8. To find the factors of 8, we will see the pairs of number whose product is equals to 8. The product of 1 and 8 is equals to 8. Similarly, the product of 2 and 4 gives us 8. So 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the product are the factors of 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the factors of 8. Now we will find the common factors of 6 and 8. The common factors of 6 and 8 is 1 and 2. Here you can see this one is common in the factors of 1 and 8, and this 2 is also common in both the factors. So the common factors are 1 and 2. HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. So 6 and 8 are not co-prime numbers. Why? Because if the HCF of two numbers is 1, then the numbers are called co-primes. Their HCF is not 1, that's why they are not co-prime. Now the second part, 13 and 64. First we will find the factors of 13 like this. We will find the pair whose product gives us 13, and there is only one pair which gives the product equals 13. 13 times 1 equals 13. 13 is a prime number, that's why it has only one pair. So the factors of 13 is 1 times 13. Now we will find the factors of 64 like this. We have to find the pairs of numbers whose product is equals to 64. There are 4 pairs. 1 times 64, the product of 1 and 64 is 64. The second pair is 2 and 32. 2 times 32 gives us 64. The third pair is 4 and 16. 4 times 16 gives us 64. And the fourth pair is 8 times 8 gives us 64. Now 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 is 2 times, we will consider it 1 time. 16, 32 and 64. These are the factors of 64. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. Then we will find the common factors. The common factors of 13 and 64 is 1. Only 1 is the common factor of 13 and 64. That's why the HCF is 1. Now 13 and 64 are co-prime. Why they are co-prime? Because their HCF is 1. As I told you here in the definition, if HCF of two numbers is 1, Can you see this? If the HCF of two numbers is 1, then the numbers are called co-prime. So we can apply the definition here. The HCF of two numbers is 1. That's why these two numbers are co-prime. Next to the next question, which is 21 and 24. We have to find the factors of 21. The factors of 21 are 1 times 21 gives us 21, and the other pair which gives product equals to 21 is 3 times 7 is 21. So these four are the factors of 21. Which four numbers? 1, 3, 7 and 21. These are the factors of 21. 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now we will find the factors of 24. We have to find the pairs of numbers whose product is equals to 24. Product mean multiply. When we multiply those numbers, their product is equals to 24. The first pair is 1 times 24 gives us 24. Second is 2 and 12 gives us 24. Third is 3 times 8 gives us 24. And fourth is 4 times 6 gives us 24. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the factors of 24. Next we have to find out the common factors. The common factors are 1 and 3. As you can see, this is 1 which is common in both 21 and 24, and next is this 3 which is common in both the factors of 21 and 24. So common factors are 1 and 3. The next step is we have to find the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. These are two common factors, 1 and 3, and 3 is the highest. So 3 is the highest common factor. 21 and 24 are not co-primes because their HCF is not 1. When the HCF is 1, we say that these are co-prime. When the HCF is other than 1, in this case HCF is 3, then we will say that 21 and 24 are not co-prime. Similarly, the next question is 9 and 16. We will find the prime factors of 9 and 16. The prime factors of 9 and 9 is 1, 3 is 2 times, we will consider is 1 time. 1, 3 and 9. 1 factors of 9 is 1, 3 and 9. Similarly, the factors of 16 is 1, 2, 4 is 2 times, we will consider it only 1 time. 8 and 16. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now the common factors, you can see that the common factor is 1. HCF is also 1. It means that 9 and 16 are co-prime because their HCF is 1. Now the fifth part is 30 and 37. First we have to find out the factors of 30. This is 30 and the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 15 and 30. Now the factors of 37. Because 37 is a prime number, it has only two factors, 1 and 37. Now we will find out the common factor. Common factor is 1. HCF is also 1. So we can say that 30 and 37 are co-prime. Why they are co-prime? Because their HCF is 1. If the HCF is other than 1, then we will say that they are not co-prime. But if the HCF is 1, we will say that their HCF if HCF is 1, then we will say that the given two numbers are co-prime.